Hello, living mentors. Welcome to Fiesta de Muertos. So this activity goes like this. In your Fiesta de Muertos, each muerto friend has four aspects. So we're going to build these characters based on these four features, which are the face, the body, the item, and also the musical instrument. So the face can have a dog, a kitten, or a human. When you talk about the body, you can have just legs, pants, or skirt, as we can see in the picture. For the item, you can have a fire, cocoa, or bread. And for the musical instrument, there's three options: a guitar, a trumpet, or no musical instrument at all. So if you think about it, there's lots and lots of friends that you can create. Now we're gonna focus on sets, which we're gonna call tree, which has these definitions. So given a set of three friends, they actually form a tree. Each for every of these four aspects, they're all either the same or all different. So let's look at this example here, where you see these three little guys, so these muertos, and then let's concentrate on this and see what we can say about it. So let me just annotate here, and let's step by step. So this goes like a checklist, and for each of the features you want to check. So let's first think about the face. So we have human, human, human. All are humans. So they're all the same. So far, so good. But we have to keep going. Let's check, for example, the body. So what do we have? We have actually skirt, skirt, and skirt. So all of them are equal. So they also pass the test. How about the item? Well, you have a bread here, you have this hot chocolate or hot cocoa, and then you have candle or the light. So we're in a situation in which these three are different, and that's perfect. You also pass the test in the item. Finally, let's check the instrument, the musical instrument. You have a guitar here. Here you have nothing. So the only chance to make a set, to make a tree, is that the last guy has a different option, so that the all three options are different. And in fact, that is the case because you have a trumpet here. So let's summarize what we did. We had all the same body faces, all the same bodies, all different items, and all different instruments. So this is actually a set. So let's keep going. Now that we have an understanding of what a tree is or a set, you can call it either way. And so let's keep going. So the first activity you want to do with your students is just to check for examples and non-examples. And so you would just show these three sets of amigos and ask which are a tree and which are not a tree. Okay, let's start focusing on the first one. So we call it Amigos Smooth. And let's see if these are a set, a tree, or not really a tree. How can we check it? Well, looking at the drink, candle, and bread, all of these are three different. That's fine. Then you have pants, 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 all good. You have faces. We run into a problem. Why is that? Because we have a kitten here, and so this guy in the center should also be a kitten, but it's actually a Chihuahua, it's a dog. So you are in this situation in which not all three faces are equal and not all three are different. In other words, two are the same and one is different. And so that tells me that this guy here, or this set of amigos, is not a set. Then you would go into the power combo. Let's check on that. Let's check if this is a set or not. And I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. Okay. So let's see. You can check in any order that you like, and you should allow this flexibility because next, when we're going to play these games and these puzzles, you don't really need to think of any order. You just need to check all these four features. So let's start, for example, with a musical instrument. You have a guitar, you have nothing, you have a trumpet. Excellent. Then let's check for face, all are different. Excellent. Let's check for the body. You have skirt, pants, and bones. Excellent. And also the items are all different. So power combo is actually a set. Excellent. Now I'll give you 5 seconds for bread friends so that you think, is this a tree or is not a tree? Okay, time to check. So you want to start with whatever you want. Probably the face would be a good idea. All these faces are different. Then the body, different, different, different. Perfect. Now let's check the musical instrument. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So they agree. All of them agree. And same for the item. You have a bread, and a bread. So again, these 4 features are independent. So you just check them independently, and you have to check whether they're all equal or they are all different. So one has option A, one has option B, and the other has option C. So let's stop this video now, and in the following videos, we'll take a more detailed look at these trees.